Is 3D Dance Ninjas.
Okay, and what are you making here? Hackagong?
We're making a generalized automated. It stemmed from making an automated pipette machine. So for just really simple kind of biological experiments, it'd be really annoying pipetting all the time.
Yeah.
So then decided that was a bit too basic, and then decided to come up with good sort of graphical interface where you can also design, say, circuit boards,
Yep.
and then also use a pipette style system to lay down solder paste, and also create containers as well, so you can kind of have a lab on the 3D printer plate and have the pipette doing your experiment, and then control it over Wi-Fi if you need, and so kind of stem from there. And
Still working on it?
pretty much, yeah. So all the features we can hack into it.
Since yesterday, I'd say, yeah, we've progressed a long way. We've gone from an idea to something physical we can touch, and got it moving and controlled by the computer, so I feel like it's gone pretty well. Yeah. So we've got a lot of UI and UX work to do, so user interface, user experience, so a lot of code, and managed to spend the whole 30 hours on the floor, so yeah.